Thank you for joining us here today on TV99 North Mississippi's News Minutes. We're so glad to have you. And now for the news. A real estate agent has asked the New Albany City Board to consider changing 40 acres now zoned residential to a commercial zoning class.
Hi everyone, I'm Cindy with TV99 North Mississippi. Last Tuesday night, February 6th, the aldermen were in session, and it was brought to the attention that the property here that I'm standing on may be rezoned, and it would be rezoned for commercial property. And I am on the north side of I-22 corridor on Highway 15 here in New Albany, and there is like 22,000 people, I believe, come by here every day. And it would be an awesome opportunity for a retail establishment. So be thinking, what would you like to see here on this property for retail? I could think of a lot of good things, but we don't know. We're just thinking, but just wanted you to know so you could be thinking about what you might like to see. Thank you, and I'm Cindy for TV99 North Mississippi.
When asked, Wiseman said a planned commercial district would consist of non-objectionable businesses. He said it would not include businesses open all night or convenience stores and might include retail shops, professional offices, and service businesses. He says some planned commercial districts have already been established in DeSoto County. No motions were put forth in response to Wiseman's request, but the city's code enforcement officer was asked to study the idea of a planned commercial district and report back to the board. Soon there will be a new place to live in Union County.
I am in Beacon Hill in Union County as some more residential apartments go up. 96 units. These townhomes, they're going to be beautiful. As you can see, they have two and a half baths, garages, appliances, and a beautiful location. This is at Beacon Hill in Union County. Beautiful place. And I'm Cindy with TV99 North Mississippi.
The development, which includes 96 three-bedroom units, is slated to open this summer. Rent will start at $555. For more information about the apartments, you can go to www.beaconhillsms.com. Unfortunately, there was a murder this weekend in Pooville, here in Union County. The Union County Sheriff's Department has arrested Bobby Joe Cobb for killing Jeffrey Witten by shooting him multiple times. It is not believed that Witten was armed, and Sheriff Jimmy Edwards said the first report of the incident came to the 911 call center at around 1:30 p.m. Edwards said the shooting, believed related to a domestic dispute, occurred near County Road 51 in the Pooville community of the Western Union County. Sheriff Edwards said that Witten's body is being sent to the state medical examiner in Jackson for an autopsy and that Cobb would be arraigned before a judge Monday morning in New Albany. Many New Albany and Union County residents will be receiving free fire alarms over the coming week.
Hi everyone, I'm Cindy with TV99 North Mississippi. I'm here in New Albany with Mark Whiteside.
You would be surprised how many homes we have gone to that have not had working smoke detectors or a smoke detector at all. Red Cross called us the other day and wanted to talk to us, and they've asked to join with us in Union County Fire Services. They came and met with us day before yesterday, and they're coming back to bring them this Friday, which is today's the 7th, 8th, 9th, the 9th. It's the New Albany Fire Rescue, Union County Fire Services, and American Red Cross of North Mississippi have joined forces to provide free smoke alarms in residential homes. We're also going to review evacuation plans, discuss safety practices for tornadoes and fires, and give out some printed material also.
On how to qualify for a free smoke detector, contact New Albany Fire Department at 534-1000 or come between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. to the New Albany Fire Station number 1 at 107 Cleveland Street. There was a house fire This weekend in Union County, a man and his pets died in an early morning fire Friday morning in western Union County. The fire was said to have occurred shortly after midnight, completely destroying the single-story dwelling on County Road 14. Authorities said the house had been rented to a Roger Holmes. The state fire marshal's office is investigating the fire. House Democrats made an unsuccessful effort to expand Medicaid late last week, saying such an expansion would benefit Mississippi's struggling hospitals, the working poor, and the overall economy of the state. The Republican majority tabled the amendment, effectively killing it by a 70-43 margin without its leaders engaging in a debate on the issue on the House floor. No Democrat voted against the amendment and no Republican voted for it. Mississippi is one of 19 states not expanding Medicaid. This expansion, if ever adopted, would help the state provide medical coverage to those making up to 138% of the federal poverty level, $33,948 annually for a family of 4. Through this program, the federal government would pay for 95% of the health care costs expanded to the Medicaid expansion beneficiaries. Country music star Marty Stewart says he is planning to develop a museum and performance hall in Mississippi hometown to display his collection of 20,000 country music artifacts, including handwritten lyrics from Hank Williams. Marty Stewart's Congress of Country Music will be in Philadelphia, Mississippi, about 2 hours from New Albany. Appearing last week at the state capitol, Stewart said international fans are enchanted and mystified by Mississippi, the birthplace of rock and roll king Elvis Presley, blues greats B.B. King and Muddy Waters, and country music legend Jimmy Rogers. Stewart is raising money for the museum, which he hopes to have open in 3 years. And now for the weird news. Did you know that you could get a degree in yodeling? The Lutheran University of Applied Science and Arts in Switzerland has a new course of study for scholars to pursue a bachelor or master's in yodeling. Beginning in the 2018-2019 academic year, students will be able to major in the traditional form of singing, which was used by the Swiss herdsmen to communicate with each other on the mountains. The BBC reported that prize-winning yodeler Naja Ross will lead the course, which will also include music theory and history. We have long dreamed of offering yodeling at the university, said Michael Kaufman, the head of the school's music department. Thank you for joining us here today on TV99 North Mississippi's News Minute. Be sure to follow us on Twitter, Instagram. We have Facebook, and we also have a website. And we have a YouTube channel. Be sure to visit us there. We hope you have a wonderful week.